Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change payment methods on Crunchyroll. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, the very first step would be simply for you to access your Crunchyroll by going to your web browser on your computer, or you can simply access it from your phone as well and type in crunchyroll.com as I have done on top and access the official website of it. Now over here you will be able to find your profile icon on top right corner of the section. Go ahead, tap on it and get signed in. Then afterwards you're gonna scroll down to the bottom and simply type on this option of my account just below the notifications. And here in this section you will be able to find this kind of interface, right? Simply scroll down to the bottom till you get these menu options on at the left side of the screen, which includes in the general section and purchase and credit below, where we can find this particular option called payment method. Simply have to tap on that particular method. Now here you can see it's like manage payment methods on top. Your saved payment methods are displayed below. All the information is encrypted via SSL and security. So you can see we have this credit cards as the payment method. You can see there are no saved payment methods yet because we haven't individually and personally added ones. All you have to do is tap on this new card option and enter the card's information over here: your card number, expiry date, month, year, and CVV number, and your country and zip postal code, and tap on add card. Now over here you will be able to attach a card for yourself as a payment method, and whenever you would like to change a particular card, you can come over here and simply change it, or you can even delete all of the payment method at once. So this is basically the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.